Kamabuhayers, Kamabuhay. Once again, I am your teacher vlogger, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Live and alive, my touchdown here in Landers in the afternoon at 3 o'clock. Super hot temperature. So have a glimpse of this latest shopping center here in Torres Street. Okay, Landers. The arrival. So let's get inside during this latest shopping center. So let's have their what's this? Their policy. Pets are welcome. Enjoy more shopping with your friends. So you're allowed to bring your pets here. Okay, this is it. Let's have a glimpse of this latest tourist attraction here in Davao. Super big and the latest. So they have their store policy. Landers, one membership card only, one member plus 2 companions. No eating and drinking inside the area. Dogs and cats are allowed. Please observe our policy. No taking of photos and videos inside the ceiling area. No firearms. So this is my picture here in my touchdown Landers Shopping Center. This is the latest attraction in Davao City. Life is here. Landers Superstore. This is my edition today, a day in Davao City, and I love really being here. Let's look at their floor area. Love here, and my new friend, the new security guard, Sir Yen Yen. Okay, shout out sa imong mga girlfriends, wife, wala pa. Sige. So that's Yen Yen, Sir Yen Yen of Landers. Thank you, sir. So membership here. You get your membership. You don't have second floor yet, just supermarket. So have a glimpse of their supermarket. There are also ATM machine available here. Let's go around the eating area, food court on my right side. Supermarket. Left side is the supermarket. So it's a day in the life of the teacher. What are you waiting for? Come now to Landers, Torres Street, just near G-Mall, Gaisano Mall, Davao City. So let's have our coverage over there. It's a wide area, no second floor yet. Wonderful Davao, really more business is here. Food court. So let's look what are available. They have their ice cream. Wow. Ice cream. What are the flavor? I love charcoal, but there is no charcoal. How about blueberry? There it is. Where's the price? 120. Sherbet chocolate, 115. Strawberry, 118. Cookies and cream, 120. 115 cookies and cream, I think. This is good only for one person. This is the food court, food area for snacks. So cute. We have corned beef, 229. Luncheon meat, 219. What else are available? Beef lasagna. Lasagna. And Lula iced tea. Or, what's that? 80 pesos each. It's really an amazing Davao. We have the nice decoration plants. It looks like real, but I think this is plastic. Oh, let's have a selfie here. Oh, beautiful plants decoration. Ah, it's real. It's a real plant, not plastic. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Another. Wow, what's wonderful picture perfect. Lander Central. Let's have our pizza, burger, what else? Oh, they have their priority lane. But I don't know if that will be for me. Let's look at their Lander Central menu. They have pasta, pizza, chicken. Okay, have a glance of the prices. Wow. And also burger. So these are the menu here. That's it. Walnut, everything. For now, this is just my coverage of the latest shopping center in Davao. What are you waiting for? Come now and have your touchdown. Experience Davao, experience Landers in Torres Street, just near the Gaisano or Chimu. Really a booming Davao, like all the businesses that is being open now and then. So for now, this is my coverage of my touchdown here in Landers, Torres Street, Davao City. Thank you, Kamabuhay and Kamabuhayers, for joining me today as I shared you, as I promote and endorse the latest mall in Davao. So many available items. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Live and alive. Landers. Tapos si Mayor. Picture vlogger, picture being Erlinda Bing sa Lirin. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay, long live, good person, good life, good person. Thank you everyone, may kamabuhay and kamabuhayers, everyone on Facebook, every friends and careers. Mabuhay! Tara na, come now to Landers, now na, delay no longer. I'll wait for you here. Mabuhay everyone and long live.